Okay. So why I'm saying it is a different is you first understand the flow. Okay, log out. Let me log in again. So for login, I'm just giving this one. See this. This is the one section, right? And this is another section. This is another. You can get this header, all this header list, all this header list, okay, in one collection. Or only this section links you want, you can get. Only this section links you want, you can get it. Like that, different elements you can identify. You are getting a group of elements. Same way, under my account, see these are all elements you need to verify. How you can verify these elements are, these menu options are there or not after login. So you have to put these elements, okay, in the list, in one list in your constant space. So that I am putting here in the constant space. Can you see here?
Yes.
Public static final list, expected my account menu option list. So all these option list I kept there. Can you see here?
Yes.
My account, order history, transactions, downloads, logout. So this is my expected values. These are. In the application, it might change, right? Runtime, you get them. How to get them runtime? That is what we are going to see here. So this my account menu options you need to get. So to get that, we have to write a XPath, which gives you all the elements. You can find a list of elements. So how can we write a list of elements? We'll see that now. So let me take one element. So see this. It is starting from here. This one. This from here. Drop down menu. And see these are all. So you have to construct an XPath here like this. So that my account menu will give you all the elements. You can start from here onwards. So here onwards, then first you will know second UL elements you want, right? That's the second. So when you put a cursor on the UL, it's highlighting entire the menu box.
Yes, yes.
So that how you need to write the all elements. So that's how you need to write a XPath first. So you can take the XPath. See, UL1 is a different. UL2 is the second one. UL2 is the second one. Okay. Let's write a XPath for this. Maybe you can, if you get here, that will re-modify if you are not getting properly. Just Control F and see what XPath you got. See, you got it properly. We want UL2. So UL2 we want. UL2 LIA. So I'll just modify this. UL2 I'll modify. UL2 of LIA, right? LI, not LI1, but I'll just remove the index. Now I'll get all the elements. So what is missing here?
This UL inside another UL, I guess.
Oh, okay. No. So double forward slash you need to put. It should give. Okay, is top div, this one. Okay, this URL, below this URL we have. Okay, got it. So whatever we have given, so that's the same you use. And here you need to remove this one. Now you see you got all 5, 1 of 5.
Yes.
So now you got 1 of 5, right?
Mm-hmm.
That is the one you have to take it. So each one you see what is the 1, 2. So this. Just need to change this. Okay, now it is fine. So this is the XPath you have to write it. So first, write the My Account menu. Okay. Right. Find by XPath. So, but first you should know what you want. So based on that, you design your web. So XPaths. So that writing XPath is a big art, and also practice. More practice, it will give you more confidence. So different websites you can try and practice object identification. That really helps you. My account menu. Okay, that part is done. So, and also breadcrumb related anything is there, you can take breadcrumb related anything. So my account breadcrumb, you can just take the my account breadcrumb. So this one. This one. So my account breadcrumb, you can take this one. UL breadcrumb. So you can write, otherwise, if you don't want this, you can start from UL. So LI and the child of 2 greater than A. So from there also, this one, UL dot breadcrumb. You can UL dot breadcrumb. That's a class tag name dot class value, right? So I can write class name dot this breadcrumb. Where is that? Where it went? That's it. Okay. So you got to see exactly the same one. So this account. So take this, my account breadcrumb. At the rate, find by CSS. So my account breadcrumb. Okay. So next, what elements are we want? Home icon also we want. Just take home icon also if you want. Okay. Otherwise, not necessary. Yeah. So any messages? So this home icon is not required. So we want this logout, right? Logout link. What is this? Just a link, right? You can just take a link, but whichever you want, you can take it. So identify next element. @ find by link text equal to that one. Private web element logout. Logout. Okay, so that's the main, sir. These are the things, but still, I want all these subheadings, these headers, list of headers, right? These are 3 headers we have. So these 3 headers you need to get. How to get that? That also we need to write. See that. If you write, say, div h2, automatically first header you are going to get. Then div h2, say ulh2 like that is there, right? So div first one and second one, third one. So you need to write a common XPath for this to get all these into a list. So into a list, you need to get them. So how you can get that? So how you can get that? All of them. So I think why we didn't write a list here, right? We missed this list. Okay, this one is a list, not a web element. Okay, write a list, web element. Because this is giving a list of elements, right?
Yes, yes.
My account, I'll just change my account. Menu option list, okay? Those are options.
More descriptive.
So that's really meaningful.
Yes.
Otherwise, now not my account menu. So my account option list, those are all you're getting into this collection. This collection. It's not one, you're getting all of them. And next one, this one, my account header list. So my account header list is just to put the h2, div id content h2, automatically you will get. Let's write that also, okay? Let's write this. So this one we have finished, right? And we'll write. I'll take div content /div square bracket @ id value /h2. See now, we got 3. Can you see here? 1 of 3.
Yes.
This is giving my account header, my orders header, newsletter header. So I'm getting these 3 into collection. So my account header list, right? My account. Take this XPath and write my account header list. @ find by XPath. Why we are getting only one? XPath equal to double quotes. My account header list. So I want to perform the search also. That's why I'll identify search also. So you have a search. You can use a name locator. We can write relative XPath. Let's edit box. So next one. Search touch icon. I want to identify the search touch icon. Identify. So we need to check, okay, so whether it is identifying or not. Okay, so I'll take a button, right? Here, the button we have to take. Let me take a CSS selector. Yeah, this is also works. You can take this search touch icon. So CSS I'll take. Search touch icon, search touch button or a search touch icon, whatever it is. Okay. So the next one is so what elements we need? This one, this is done. So breadcrumb also done. We are right. We are done. Breadcrumb logout link. But now we need to get this my account section links.
Section
right?
links.
So my account section links. How to get that my account section links? You have to write. So the XPath. So UL. So you can start from here. Div UL LI A. If you give div UL LI A, that will give you all of them. So let's write that. Content. So this is how you need to construct the XPaths. That's a very important. @ID equal to then so /UL/LI /A. See, now it is giving 11, it is giving. Okay. So why it is 11? What are all 11?
Maybe it is displaying overall, sir.
Overall, yeah. So list unstyled. But I want only this section only. LIUL1, I'll say. Okay. UL1. See, now you got 4, right?
Mm-hmm.
So now you got 4 exactly. Only my account section links only. So this is how we need to construct. So why it is giving 11 before? I took UL generic I have given. Here is one more UL.
You got all
here
of
one
them.
more UL.
Yes.
That's the reason. Okay. So let's write that. Find by XPath equal to. So that XPath, whatever the XPath you copy and give it here. So we want a list of elements. My account section links list. Okay, same way you develop for other sections also if you want. UL2, I think, right? UL2, if you give, you will get a my orders. So the my orders, UL2 you give. See now my orders links only you will get, that is a 6 are there. So this is the my orders XPath. So my orders section links list. That's it. But this is the only one. But if you want, you can just get that also. Okay. UL. Maybe tomorrow if they added more, you can get it, right? So if you want, you can add that element also. Otherwise, not required. Yeah, we are good with all these elements. Then you write the methods now. So the methods is so what are all the elements we want? First, you need to perform whether this is present or not. You want to check this is present or not, and this my account is present or not. So that you can just so in this in my account also we need to identify because you have to click, right? You have to click my account. That also you have to identify my account. Let's go and identify my account. Did you identify my account or no? This my account menu. This one, top one. I don't think so. We have identified. This is my account. You top links LI2A. Already did?
Sir, already, yeah. You need the header account menu list. Identified it.
Menu option we identified, that not menu. Okay, my account menu. I'll just take this one. I'll just rename it. We'll frame the my account. Say just you need to do ULLI2A is enough. Okay, that's what I hear. See, can you see? ULLI2A, which is my account.
Yes, yes.
So that you just write that. That's enough. My account. And my account, just change it to my account. Just a web element, not a list. Okay. First, you have to click on that to open the menu, right? That's why you have to identify that element also. So these are all things very important. We have to understand them. Okay. Let's say first you click on this, okay? Click, do a click action on that element. So do a click action. So click on my account link. Or my account menu link. That's meaningful. Name, it's all up to you, how you want to give, okay? Log.info. Next, what is the action you want to do? If you want my account page URL also, you can get, right? You can, this we already stored here in the so this, you get the my account URL, okay? Get my account page URL method you can develop. Based on that, already in the constants, we stored that. So my account fraction URL, okay? My account page title and my account fraction URL. So these are the ones we stored. So that one you can reuse to get that URL. Write the method that one. Already we have developed somewhere in the login page, right? Same step you can do here also. Public string it returns. Get my account. So page URL. So, right? Wait for that method return. It's a return type method. Return. Wait for. So control space for if you use wait for URL contains, right? This is the method. So this is coming from WebDriver utils. Observe that. And you have to get from constant space.
Constant dot.
Yeah. Constants dot to my account fraction. So I think we are given account page fraction URL. That's the one. So the naming conventions, maybe my account, if you follow the one notation, that will help you. Otherwise, we are struggling, right? Sometimes. Next. So then this search edit box is present or not also you can check. So public, so Boolean is search exist. So return is displayed. So you can just give this search edit box. Because that's important for performing the sets. That's why I'm just putting the main important things. Which is more important, I'm keeping that. So then I want other one is logout exists. Logout also important for me. That I'm checking. Make sure I'm checking that. Is logout exist? Is logout exist? Where is the logout link? This one. So how can you check logout? Logout is under my account, right? So you have to click this first. You call this method. Then only you can see. Otherwise you cannot see. Right?
Yes, sir.
So call that method. After clicking, if you want to wait for some time, right, you can wait. So you can add a wait action. So add throws declaration for this. Then do the wait action. So wait for element visibility or whatever you want. Can do wait for element visibility. So even you can use ease display instead of ease display, you can use other one. Okay, what is that? Let me show you that. So we have wait for element visible in the wait for element visible. You just put like that, you will get automatically. See that? By locator you can give. I can use this. Not element, just element visible. Wait for element visible. So I can take this and I can write by dot link text. At link text you write. By dot link text, you can just give the link name, that is logout. So then you can put on top of that is displayed, because basically wait for element visible is giving a web element. So web element dot is displayed. So what we are doing, we are waiting and getting the web element. Then you are checking that, because after clicking on, you have to wait some time, right? This will wait and give the web element. On that web element, you are calling the is displayed method. So that both will be performed in the same method. Waiting will be done and everything will be completed. So next I'm going to do just clicking on logout link. I'll just do the same thing. Click on logout link. So this is the void method. Click means void method. It doesn't return anything. Click. So not capital letter. Click logout link. Click logout. First you have to click on this. There is no return type. And this one also not required. Wait for element visible. Then click method. The click method is that's it. So that is the one. So we got okay. So logout is done. What is left now? So getting all the my account option list, right? You need to get all this my account menu list. This one you need to get all of them. So you need to get the list of no elements. You need to get a list of elements. So that list of elements you need to get. How can you get the list of elements? So write a method, public list. You return the list by this method. So get the method name you have to give. Get my account. My account. The menu option list. So you're getting the text of each, in this. You're going to get the each option. You iterate the collection. You got a web elements already there. So there you got a web elements here. This is the web elements you got. Now what you need to do? You have to iterate them. So how to iterate them? Just see that. Okay. So first, so you create declare one list to store all menu option text. So you want to store all of them. So where you can store one string, array list you can create. My account menu option text list equal to new array list. This is all Java. So collections, import this type. Now iterate the collection, iterate the web element collection, okay? To get the text. Once you get the text, add that text to this collection. So I'm using for loop. So web element, so element colon, the collection name. This is the collection name. So you get this. So you know how to get the text. String txt equal to. So element dot get text. So then you got the text. This text you add it to this collection. Element text into the collection. So which collection? This collection. Collection dot add method. That's it. Then return this collection. That's it. Okay. So this is how to get all the text. Next. You same way you get the my account header list also. The similar way. Okay, similar way. You can just get all of them, those texts. So get my account header list. So get the list you create, my account header text list. Just change this and also you have to change this header collection. This list you have to give. So same way, so you can get other, so also develop the other two methods for each. So we want for my account section links, get my account section link list. You can create a my account section text list. You can change this. And this one is my order my orders link list. So this is the my orders text list. So just change the here respective collection. So what is the respective collection? My account section link. So what is the other one? My orders section links. See, the logic is same everywhere. So if you are getting and you want to get the text of each one, so the logic is similar. And then you can validate them later. Okay. Next one, you need to perform the search. Generally, you'll give product search, right? You get the product. So you'll give the product name. Then you'll click on this. These are the steps you need to do in that method. What is the public? So this will return for you other page, not this page, right? It will return to some other page. So that is if manually also you test it. So Mac, right? Suppose you're searching. See, this page is changing to search page. That's a results page. So, and when you're performing a search, that method is returning some other page. So I'll just show you that how to return by a method some other page. That is what we are doing. The return type, I'll write a results page, it is returning. So results page, it is going to return. And do a product search. The method name I'm giving, do product search or perform product search, whatever it is. String product name. You give the product name, which product you want to search. The do product search and string product name. So what are the steps you need to do? First, type the value, right? You need to send the data to that edit box. And then you need to click on that task icon, then return the results, right? Those are the steps. Just write that only. Log.info. Perform the search. Search for product. Product name. So send data. You have to type, right? So we have created a method send data for sending the data. What data you want to type there in that edit box. That is first you have to do search edit box, right? Search edit box. And the value you need to give product name. Product name. So this one. After that, you need to click on task icon. So you just click on task icon.
Torch. Yeah, torch.
Click method you call. Click. So search search button. After that, this is a returning. When you click on this, it is going to next page. So return new this page. It is returning other page. That page object you need to return. So driver. So this is the how you need to develop. Constructor, create a constructor. Okay, we'll create a constructor in that page class. Is still we haven't developed this one, right? This will develop the page. That is the reason it was going. I created a constructor. So this is the constructor. We don't have the constructor here. That's why it was throwing an error. Now we created a constructor. Now it's good. Okay. So any questions?
I have a question regarding for one of this list expat like many. Can you go up to many expat, sir? Many option expat all the way up. So see here my account section list. The expat we identify here, so just only for one item. Shouldn't we just find out the common expat for all of this?
This is a common. This is a common, not for one item in this section. In this section, all links. This will represent the all links expat.
Okay. That's why I thought we are just showing just one list.
So here in this UL1, there are many LIA. Okay. You will get all of them. Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
So UL1 is
I thought we are just some reason I thought like we identify the first link we saw that here. That's why I confused. Okay, all good now.
Now here, so you need to check. Okay, so we have written this search exist or not. You can use that method. Okay, this method, if it is exist, you can perform the search. That condition you can put. If it exists, so then you perform the search. Otherwise, leave it. Okay. Otherwise, don't do that.
That makes sense because some item doesn't even available.
Yeah. Right. So and also, if that is not the return, so if it's not exist, return the null yourself. Okay. This returns when this returns this page object if this exists.
Mm-hmm.
If this doesn't execute, and this method is going to return a null copy. That means that page itself not there. You're saying that search itself not there. You are not able to perform the search. You have to tell.
How to format your code in Eclipse, because we need to indent if block. How do you?
Yeah. So you can just Control A, Control Shift, format. You know it is indented.
Say it again, sir. Control
A, Control Shift F.
Okay, Control Shift F, right?
Yeah. That is a shortcut for the formatting.
Okay. Control Shift F. Okay, perfect.
So they all are developed now. So that is done now.
On the web page, can you go to your web page? There is this always, not this one, on the, yeah, there is on the right side, there is this my account, edit account should be.
This also you have to write, sir. This also you have to write, okay? If you want to check each element, okay?
Mm-hmm.
But I written most of them, but this, if you want, you can add all this also. This is a similar way. You can get this, all these elements, so another list you can take. See this.
Do they require every single element?
Yeah, you might require. See, so div ID content, that is it starts from here. Div class list group.
Mm-hmm.
See, you take a automatically you'll get all of them.
Another collection, I guess there.
Another collection. Then bring all of them into another collection.
Okay.
That also another way to write. Just let me help you on that also. Maybe you can add, because I'm not adding all of them, but so very high level I'm adding. So just A. You can just put A. See, now it will give total 13 are there. You can count here, 13 might be there, right? All. So list, you take another list and you can so check them. All these are working or not, also you can check them. Right?
Yes. Basically, on the requirement, they specify what they wanna verify, right?
Yeah, you have to verify.
I mean, they on the requirement, they just specifically express that what we need to verify, or
yes,
in real world scenarios. Like,
yeah, these are all real work scenario. You have to verify whether these are working or not. We told one the link is working or not with no broken
status
links.
code 200, sir.
The broken links we have done one code. You remember?
Yes, sir. No,
that you can implement for all these elements.
Yeah, they specifically on real world team environment, they list their requirement, correct? Like,
yeah, they will list, but it's your responsibility. They won't tell no all this links validation. It's as a part of testing. You have to validate all of them.
Okay.
So as a part of functional testing and automation also, it's your responsibility. That they won't tell no in the specifically. They will tell, okay, this section should have this link, but links should work. But it's your responsibility as a tester. You have to validate all of them. So that you add our broken links code, and that's enough.
Okay.
So it will give you validation for you whether each link is working or not. Most of the times links will broken. Okay, that kind of issues you will get. That just call that reusable code anywhere. Okay. Even Kiran, you ask Arshini. So in your application, there is they are testing manually, right? All of them. Instead of that, you can add that code, all the context menu elements. Ask her to practice that. The same code you plug there. Broken links code. So that you can show them so which link is broken to them, and your work will be so you can showcase that. So nobody did that. All are doing manual testing, right? You can implement that. Ask Arshini to implement that.
Which one is this?
In the context menu, admin context menu is you doing, right? Testing now.
Underwriter.
Kiran, you remembered or you are not getting that?
Sir. GL, sir.
Ah,
Okay. Yeah.
that one. Why you want to do manual testing? Just try it out. The broken links code you plug to that.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Arshini?
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. So that you can showcase that your work, and I did a simple one, easy way instead of doing manual testing. That's it. You have to apply the our concepts there wherever you are getting. Then you remember the concepts. If that concepts are not getting not remembering, and you cannot implement. Basically, that's what my you have to apply those concepts. Okay, so let's move on. Next page. This page is done. So now most important one is another one, results page. Results page we need to develop. So let's go and develop the results page. You search some product. See, now it went to search results page, right? This is a search results page.
Yes, sir.
These search results, you can get the number of products here, how many are there. No, you can get it. And also you want to verify this header, you can verify the header. So if you go to grid view and how many, so this 4 should be shown to you. This 4 is listing out or not, you check it. That you get all this number of items, products list out here. Then get this product data, all this product data, you get it if you want. There's product image, product name, product so price, and this is the product metadata. So all this data you get it. So you know how to get the data from the web pages. Use that so functions and get the data. So let's go and see this results page, what we want to do. So again, so search results page, right? This one. Search results, first header, this this and these elements. You need to have. And one of them you have to choose. One of them you have to select, right? One of the product you have to select based on your search criteria, product name. So what product name you are giving, that product only you have to choose from this list. Am I right or not?
Yes, yes, sir.
You have to click. When you click on this, it will go to details page. This is that product details page. Again, this product details, you get this product header, and this is all the product metadata, and this product price related data. You get all this data, and also this images, you need to, how many images this has. So like that, you have to iterate and add to cart. All this is the test cases you have to add. You need to first pay in the pages, you have to get all this data. Later, you can reuse that. Okay. So let's go and do the results page first. Okay. Let's finish the results page. We know results, what are all the results, what elements you want to. Mainly, sir, any page you go, the first step you need to do is, okay, this page, what elements we need to validate. What elements we need to validate, what elements I need, and then what are the methods I need to use on those elements. Simple, these things, if you remember, it's good.
Yeah, basically 3 steps. First, identify what element you need
and develop the methods.
Well, and then validate and methods.
Yeah, develop the methods, basically.
Perfect, 3 steps. Okay.
Yeah, that's it. So once the steps are done, these methods you will use in the test cases. These page methods you will use in the test case. So this is easy, right? And tomorrow change happened. You will go to particular page and you will change there only. You don't need to change in your test cases, in your methods. Only change comes generally for the object identification only. Not for methods, not for the name you are given, right? Only change comes here only. So it will reflect automatically here and it will reflect in the test cases also. So the maintenance is very easy. That's what a page factory concept I explained you. Why it is very easy is, so tomorrow he changed this button address. Then you will modify only this address, not the names and these methods, right? That's why we are calling maintenance is easy. I don't need to change where I'm clicking on that element, right? Wherever I'm clicking on that element.
If there's continuous integration, it is very useful. Like you said, when they edit a new feature on the page, we don't need to change the structure, just identify the new element.
Only here only changes. That's it. The object identification only will change. In the UI pages, that's the only change. You will get it. Nowhere else. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so let's go and do. Okay, so at results page, right? We are going to go to results page. Now, results page also develop the same way first. Just change the, so. Okay, so let's identify all the elements. What are the elements we want? So one is, so this breadcrumb, you can, if you want, you can get that breadcrumb, and also this is the product details page we came at. This is the search. So this search breadcrumb you identify.
Title.
Okay, so get this header and get this breadcrumb and get this product list. So this product list you need to get. How to get that product list?
This also Opta's this search criteria boxes identifying that.
Right. So breadcrumb, you know, right? Already we did LI to A. Simple. Controller.
అదే నైట్ లేట్ అయింది లగేజ్ అంతా పెట్టేసి వస్తుంది ఓన్లీ ఇవ్వనా ఇవ్వనా తీసుకెళ్ళిపోతా
1 minute. Okay.
So copy this. Double forward slash u. Oh, ul, right? Yes, a ul. Square bracket. Direct class value. Li of 2 slash a. So that's it. See, it is recognizing, right? That's breadcrumb you added. Sets breadcrumb. At the rate find by XPath. If you want to add a text, right? Text function, if you want to add exactly, you can add that text function also. So search. Private web element. Search breadcrumb. Import the find element, find by annotation, web element, import that. Same way you identify the other elements. What other elements we want? Search header also we want, right? Search header also we want, and also search product list also we want. See this search header. To identify this search header. So I'll just take H1. Okay, so it can be anything, it will come. I don't want to give the name, just give div ID content H1. Okay. Search header. Div content is the div. If you don't want to write so this one tag name, put a star. Okay, this is another option also you can use. So star means it will take any tag name, and you can just give this content, right? The content of H1. This one H1. Just check, okay? So don't blindly go directly right under. So check first, okay? Whether that written one is working or not, check here. See, now it is perfectly identifying your required element. Once you confirm here, then place it in the page. Without confirming, so blindly don't go. Otherwise, when you run again, the test case will fail. You will struggle, right?
Yeah, I usually prone to writing my own XPath anyway on the calculator.
That's good. See how I am writing here. This is how you can write your own XPath in this below. So then, if you want this search area also, you can identify this search area. So all you can do, but I'm just going directly to this product list we need to develop now. You see that the entire. So you're getting here. See, product grid. Okay. So this I'll take a partial. This one I'll take a partial one. Div product partial. Double forward slash div square bracket contains of at the rate class. See, we got it, right? We got that first one, and you need to write. So next div after next div img. So if you want images, you write images. Entire card you want this. and this one. If entire thing you want, just write a div. So /div, if you give, see 1 of 4 it is giving. So that, so you have to take a decision which one you want. All the product list you want. So you can put this product list, you will get the entire thing. Yeah. So that's the, otherwise this is also going to give, instead of this also gives 4, 1 of 4. This is enough. Just take this.
Or just take finding the image is fine too, right?
But I want all the section, right? Every section, entire section I want.
Because
enter this card.
Sometimes
this card
doesn't on this box. Sometimes there's
entire box is present or not, we need to check.
Yeah, sometimes picture doesn't display. That's why if you need to
you check there, okay? So what XPath is there, and then based on that you take a decision. So however you want, okay? And this one, a list. It's giving a list of web elements. So this one is a search product list, right? Search product list. Okay. So now all so 3 elements were added, but then you do the action now. So you get the search page title if you want. So I'll write first, I'll get the search page title. Public string get search results page title. Search results page title. So you know that how to get that, right? Return. So you based on the product name, you can get this page title. So because it is, you are getting based on the partial, right? Product name. You can give product name. What product name you are searching. Based on the product also you can search it. So wait for title contains. Wait for title contains. And that the product name based, it will give you the title for us. Because this, can you observe here? In the title, you're getting the product name. That time, based on that, I'm getting my title. Next. So next one is, so they get the product size, okay? This, how many the size is there? If you want, you can get it. The return type is integer, right? So int get, so product size. Get search products size. Return the collection dot size method. So next, now you get the, so you select one of the product from that list. Okay, you select it, one of the product. Next, so you need to select one of the product, public. So when you select the product, one of the product, where it is going to product details page, right? So that you have to return here, product details page. It is going to product details page. And then, so we are selecting one of the product. Pick one of the product or which product you are from the list. Select the product and give the product name. Based on the product name only, you can select it. So now how to do this? Just clicking on that product name link, right? So you have a product name link here. Can you see here? This is the product name link. It's a link. Link text. You use link text and just click on that. But I'm parameterizing this. Whatever the product name I'll give, I'll click on that product based on this. So I have to write so method. Selecting the product. We can just give product name. So you can parameterize the XPath. So I already told this how to parameterize the XPath, right? So with the product name, I can click it. So I can write directly like this: driver dot find element by dot. So link text, right? So it's a link text product name dot click method. So this is returning to you other page. So which page it is returning? New product details page. So, and you have to give a driver as the parameterized constructor here. Just create this. You don't have their constructor, create the constructor on that page. So this is the other page how to develop this.
We can use click method as well here, right? The redefine the other click.
You have this is the dynamic, right? Product name, which product name you want to select. That's why I'm just passing that. Product name is my link text or partial link text you can use. Okay. If you are not giving exact link name, so which product you are selecting. Okay. These are the product names, right?
Yes.
So if you don't give exact product name, you give partial link text here instead of link text. So that partially whatever is there, it will take. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So that's how results page is done, sir. Now let me take, okay, so I don't want to waste time. Product details page quickly. I explained, right? Product details page, for example, 1. Here what we are doing. So you get this set this also, okay? And you get this header and this metadata and this cost, this add to cart, this image list you get. So these are the elements we are identifying. Let me explain quickly in the interest of time. We have already written so some other batch. Quickly we'll finish that, okay? So that it will be. So we can save our time.
Yeah.
This entire page, I'm going to take it here. Okay, the package is same. Yeah, package is same. If any errors are there, you can solve it. Yeah, I'll explain this, okay?
Yeah.
So, and also registration page is one pending. Results we already developed. Registration page also, let me take. Registration page also I'll take. And I will go and replace here. This is the your project. Yeah, this is the one. I'll explain this also. Quickly, we can finish the pages. How much time we have?
Half an hour, sir.
Half an hour. Okay, fine. So half an hour. Yeah, we can so finish these pages. Maybe tomorrow we can cover the test cases. Okay.
Yeah.
Test cases we can cover. And then we are good. Tomorrow we can, so mostly we can close. Otherwise, next week, beginning first hour, we can finish the entire this framework, how to run and the collection. Then how can we push this code to GitHub? That I'll show this. Okay, push this code and run in the Jenkins. Those part also. I'll cover some Git commands also. That's a very important comment. In the real time when you go, you will continuously work on the Git only. Because you have designed a lot of code you have written, but where to keep that code? You have to keep in only in the
repository.
Git. So Git repository, not in your local machine. But now code is in your local machine.
Usually, how many testers in average company? How many testers work, sir? Just like as in the team.
It depends on the your any company you are going.
Yeah, it changed, but usually like
approximately say the team for 5 developers, 1 or 2 testers will be there. If you are a senior person, only 1 tester. You have to take care of everything. Otherwise, 2 testers maximum. So the 1:3 ratio will be there. Okay, for every 3 developers, one tester. Or so 5 developers, 1 tester. They will give assign a company structure. If it's a senior resource, so 5 developers, 1 tester. 2 testers for the if 7 developers or 9 developers are there.
Of course, it is up to the project. Like
project. It depends on the project and the more methodology they are using. Methodology means which methodology they are following, waterfall or so agile methodology. Based on that, it will vary. If more work is there, so they will add more testers. Okay. Okay, so let's go, sir, understand product details page first. See that. So we are identifying product header. So this one, this is the product header. Yes. So let me show you this. Take this entire thing. See, that's identifying. Okay. So I took a straightforward copy from here. Okay, this one, this I took. You can try any of them. So this header I am identifying. Then this metadata, we call this. That metadata means data about this product. So this see, can you see here? Product has a key value. So this I'm going to put this in the key value where you can put in the Java concept. Do you have any idea? It's a map, sir. It's a map. So, you can place in the map. So all your that thing you'll put in the map.
Array could be fine, right?
Sorry?
Arrays like
arrays no. Arrays is only one value you can put, but multiple. One type of data. But here I want to store this key and this value.
Okay.
This key and this value. And this key and this value. And also here, this key and this value. How you will put it?
You're gonna map all of the key values.
Yeah, only map. Yeah. First you have to get the data, okay, from the web page. Later you refine with the string methods. Okay. Now, so next one, product image list. You see this is the product images. So can you see here a class thumbnail? So this one, UL class thumbnail. So class thumbnail, if you take, automatically it will recognize how many are there. So next one also is having same way. So that, so a dot thumbnail, if you give, so you have a, so this is the a, this one. If you take, automatically you will get all the images list. That's what I'm taking, all the product image list, a dot thumbnail, if you give, so you will get a, now 2 images are there, 2 you will get. So you have 3, but this one also it is taking. So that's okay. All 3 you will get. That's it. Okay. That's the one I identified. Next, product metadata list. This product metadata list I'm identifying. So this one you need to write. So UL list analyze. So from here you can start writing. So all of them we are getting one by one. So let me show you that how to write that. See, I have written a content. So div content. Okay, this is the div content. On the top it is there. So if you observe from here, so div content, and you can see product metadata coming here. So this one, exactly this UL. From here, I'm navigating div. I'm ignoring all these things and I'm writing /UL. So there is one more UL here. So I want this UL and the position 1 I'm giving. The position 1 is, so position function I'm using. So this is the common XPath. On that I'm positioning 1 and LI. I'm just giving LI. So all the LIs you will get it. So if you see this, see that. First one, this one. Second one, product. And third one, in stock. So these values, so these are the list, right? List of elements. This is the one list, list 1, list 2, list 3. The list 1, list 2, list 3. List 1, list 2, list 3. And then, so you are getting this, all of them into this list. And then later we can refine the methods we are writing to how we refine how to get the list of elements, right? That we are doing that. Same refining the list and how you need to split it, because based on the colon you split it and you will get the key and value and put them in the map at the end of the day. And then price list also, same price list also. This is then here in this second UL. Can you see here, second UL? That I am doing a position function. The position function, position 2, this entire is a common. And the first position is we have a metadata. Second position, you have a price list.
First time I am seeing this position function, sir, by the way.
Position function, I explained you in the XPath. When I was covering XPath position, last function, position function. You remember, maybe you missed them. I covered there. Position function and last function.
Okay.
While explaining a relative XPath and absolute XPath types.
Absolute XPath we covered there.
Okay.
So let me show you that. So you can go to object identification.
I remember, as far as I remember, you covered the page location position or.
Yeah, so here we have object identification. I have shown you on the LinkedIn page that examples. Here, so you have last function, position function. I have shown here. So I have given some examples also in the LinkedIn website. Yeah, there it is. So the last function and position function. See, this is what I have done now. Identified the XPath and I'm positioning that. Okay. Even normalized space also I explained that. So, and access XPaths we covered. So these are the So XPath functions.
Mhm.
So now these are the things. Let's get now add to cart button also I'm identifying. And then string get product name. So first we need to get the product name. So the product header is there, right? This is the product header. This is the product name. So I'm getting that product name from this web page. So how can you get public string get product name and return get text the product name header. Element name I'm providing that text it will fetch and stores and it is a return type method. Then product image count. How many are there? So you have a list dot size. You'll get that. Then I'm creating a map. So I want to store that key value pair in this map. That's why I took a map. So now get the product metadata. So we are first getting the product metadata. How to get the product metadata? So looping the collection. This metadata list is there, right? I'm looping. So in this product metadata variable, you have this entire thing. Brand colon Apple you have, product code colon product 14 you have. Okay? That text you have complete. And then, so I'm getting that text, complete text. The complete text is this one. So meta text you're getting that I'm splitting. So meta text I'm splitting based on the colon. Split colon. Now what will happen in this string array? You will get the first element and second element. So this metadata array first element I'm trimming and storing in the meta key variable. And the second element of this array I'm storing in the meta value variable. Then I'm placing this key and value in this map. The map I have created here. So this is a map I created. Map. The key is a data type, value is a data type, and the map name. The map dot put method will help you to store the key and the key value in this map. So now you'll get all the product metadata. So this entire thing into the map, separately. So in this map, all three keys are there. Key 1 is a brand, key 2 is a product code, key 3 is a availability. These are the 3 keys available in this map now, and their values. Next, so get product metadata, price data. So price data you have to get. Product price data. How to get product? Again, same procedure, right? So string, you are getting directly price, this one, and this data. So you get that. So string price, the product price list dot get of 0, dot get text, dot direct. So you'll get the price here, the first one. This one. And next one is you're getting extra tax price, product price list dot get of 1. Get of 1 means second element in the list dot get text trim. So this is the actual prices I'm putting in the map. Again, this also I'm putting in this map. So I'm adding, other than this metadata, I'm adding the price also to the map. Actual price is this one. Actual tax price is this one I'm appending. So I'm adding into the map. So I added the metadata, I added the price data. Everything is available. Now I'm getting the product information, complete product information that will return the map for me. The map it is returning. Get product metadata, get product price data. So that I'm storing in this. I'm returning that map. So this is the how you need to develop your functions on that particular piece. Okay, so this is the last one, last piece. Now, the final one is a registration page. Sir. Registration page, let's go registration page, understand. So let's log out. You will understand the registration page. The registration page is a bigger, longer one. Because so many elements are here. See how many elements? This one element, this breadcrumb. this login page link, personal details section, your address section, your password section, newsletter section, this checkbox, continue button, so many you have.
Yes.
All this you have to identify. Okay. See, first name edit box, last name edit box, all this we identified based on the IDs and everything. So let's go here. Very big one, this one. Please finish this also. Okay. Come back tomorrow. It will help you. I think you don't have time, right? For preparing all this. You have to go to office.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, okay. Maybe weekdays you have to try it all these things. Then private log, and then registration. This one. See, @ find by registration account header. This one I am identifying with a CSS H1. So that you can directly use a tag name also, right? That's I am doing that. Then second one, this static text. This one. This static text I'm identifying with this. So you got this directly with XPath. Okay, I am writing XPath. So we see that div ID content and fee I have given. So this will identify this one. Enter. Next. So registration account to login page link. So login page link you have to identify. So this is the you have this link. So A div ID P A. So that one we are doing CSS. We are using CSS. And then registration account page link, login page link. Then we have a personal details legend text. This one. So legend, your personal details. So this one @ find by field set ID equal to count legend. So personal details header, basically this header identified. Then first name edit box using ID, you are identifying the first name edit box. Last name edit box, I used the name. Again, email edit box, I used ID. So CSS, I use it for telephone edit box, but different locators I want to show. That's why I'm covering all of them. So we used CSS, ID, name, again, CSS. Most of the places I use it CSS. Email. Email, right? Telephone, that one. Then your address also, this company, address 1, address 2, city, postal code. This is a drop down. You identify the drop down also, and state code or state drop down also. See that? All we identified. And address legend also identified, CSS, company edit box, address 1 edit box, address 2 edit box, city edit box, postal code edit box, country drop down. We identified the drop down only. Okay. Later we can select an option from the drop down. You know how to select an option from drop down, right? So that we can do that. That we can do that. And the state drop down also identified with the CSS. This is the hash ID value. Hash ID value. Then password legend text. Password legend text is this one. So newsletter. So then we have a password edit box, password confirm edit box, subscribe yes radio button. You can see that yes radio button. You have so you can use value 1 because no and yes radio button is having same name, same type. Okay, so that's why I'm using value. Value is something different. 1 and 0 they are given. Based on that, I'm differentiating here. Can you see here? We have written a CSS. Next, privacy checkbox, privacy policy checkbox, this one. So identified the privacy policy check. You can use a name. I used the name here, right? Name. And 2 attributes I have used for the CSS. This also we covered, right? And how to identify element with the 2 attributes in CSS that
Yes.
I have used. Continue button. So agree error message. Suppose you didn't check this checkbox. Click on this. So what you will get this error message. You must agree to the privacy policy. This error message I have identified. So this alert anchor. So that you can use. That's one I have used. Register breadcrumb. This is the one. This is the register breadcrumb. So we are identifying that our own way, because again that is a so UL and LI3A, and you view this. That's easy. So, but I have used a bigger one, but you can write your own one. Account created header. So account created. So this will, after filling all the data, okay, all the data. So the next page you will get. Next page you will get. So let's fill quickly this one. And so password something. I'm just testing also, okay? Manually I'm testing. Yeah, this is very important. Manually you have to test at least once. Otherwise it doesn't work out, okay? Make sure you test it manually. Before, writing automation, test once. That really helps. So to understand the things, let's go this. This is already registered. Okay, I need to give a different mail address. Maybe I can give. Okay, I can give some name, any mail, but make sure you give existing one. Okay. See, this is the one I'm just checking. See, I got a success. This one I have written here. Account created header. This is the account created header. And account success message. So this is the account created success message. I have taken this. So all CSS I have written. So you can see now. See, div ID H1. That's what we did. Div ID H1. So div ID content. This is the P, this P. Congratulations, your account has been successfully created. That's account success message I'm referring. Then account created continue button. So this one. Continue button. So we are putting continue button there. And then account created breadcrumb success link. So this one. This one. I have written this one. See, again, you use the breadcrumb concept. Standard. You can use this. And you can write a success. That's what I have written here. Contact us link. Here you have a contact us link that also identify this. And home, breadcrumb home icon. So you know, right? This is the home icon. We are identifying that home icon. Then, so I'm checking all the methods. Elements are done now. So the methods you have to develop, right? Is registered. Yeah.
Can we put this success page another Java file as well, instead of showing here the access file? I mean success file.
Not required, right? It's a same page. You can put if you want. So this the page is different. Register your account has been created. Another page. This one you can put on another page. Okay, no issues.
After clicking the continue button, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Submit button.
It's a new page. It's a new page. You can put a new page. No issues. But I clubbed it into entire registration, right? Registration. That's why. Otherwise, you can put a new because this page is changed. You can see here.
Yeah, page change. That's why I asked. Like,
yeah, you can give a different name. No problem. Is register breadcrumb present? I'm just checking that is displayed method. Is account created breadcrumb success link present? I'm just giving that return. Click on account created contact us link. Just clicking on that. So click on breadcrumb home icon. So clicking on that. Click on account created continue button. This one. So get account created success message, we are getting the success message. Get account created header, you're getting the account header. Get first name edit box, set first name. See that this is the setters and getters we are generating. Because set first name means you are setting that first name, right? That so it's already logged in. I'll log out. So let's go to register. So I need to set this first name. So that's a setter method. So what is send data I'm putting? So for setting edit box, you have to use send data method and getting that. So what attribute value is stored there, I'm getting that. So set last name, get last name. So after setting, you will get it will store in the value attribute. How to get the attribute value? Using get attribute.
Yes, get attribute.
That's what I'm just following this. And then all setters and getters I developed for these methods, all these elements, setters and getters. Set for setting the value, and after setting, getting the getter value. So then all these methods after, so set confirmation, get confirmation, select country. This is the one, see? So we already have which option you want to select. Select option by visible text method is there in the web drive details. I need to pass the country drop down, which option you want to choose that option, then wait for alert present and switch, and then accept the alert. If any alert you get, so it will do that. Maybe if it is, you won't get for all, but if you get, you put a try catch block better. So okay, this one you put in the try catch block. Surround with a try catch blocks. Because they're not necessary, we will get alert always, right? That's a select state. Same way you can select the state also. You can select the state also. Select subscribe. So if you pass the subscribe value yes, it will select the yes radio button. If you select the no, so no radio button will be selected. So check the agree checkbox. Check is we have a check method, right? That I'm checking. So click on continue button. We're clicking on the continue button. Get register account. So you're getting the register account. Click on login page link. So we have a login page link right on the top. This one. I can navigate to login page. So that also I'm just doing here.
This get register account method.
The register account header.
Did we?
This basically register account header text.
Did you override this get text method text inside utils package? Or?
So this header is the right header text.
Okay.
This header text.
Yes.
That you are getting.
Yeah. Can you go back to your function? Get register. Yeah. This return get text. Did we override this method or somewhere?
No, not overriding. This is just a unique, right? This element is unique.
Okay.
This element is unique. Get text method is we already written in the WebDriver utils method.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking. It is inside the WebDriver utils, right? This get text.
Right. Yeah, this method is written in the WebDriver utils.
Yeah, that's why I want to know. Okay. Okay.
So every method I'm using here, it is written in the WebDriver utils. Okay. This one, and check method also. This check method also I have written there. So I'm using here. And the section wise, I set all of them for easy access. For example, you cannot call all this in the test case, right? Set personal details. So I modified again, still modified, okay? So first name, last name, these are the parameters I will pass for this method. So personal details means this one, this section. Yes. Section wise, one method I created again. Then your address section. See, your address, set your address details. See, set company name, set address 1, set address 2, city, postal code, country, select a state. So another one. Same way, set password details. You have to set password and confirm password. For this, 2 parameters you are going to give. And get agreement warning message. So you get the agree error message that also I developed. So this is the total pages, total pages development.
Okay, cool.
So That's it. The pages development, and next class we can cover the